Do you like silky tones and pendulums? Are you curious about how to craft words to take someone to a state of trance? Or would you like to explore trance as a subject? Well, this is a podcast with a focus on all things hypnotic, and some other kinky things I enjoy. My name is Fish the Hypno Bear, and I will be your host. I will share my personal experience and knowledge on how to utilize words, touch, implements, and the environment around you to practice and experience trance, along with other uses for hypnosis. On this podcast, we will delve into the basics of trance all the way to advanced practice. This will be a combination of information, personal experiences, and practical application of hypnosis. Some files will build on each other and will be labeled as such, and others will be standalone. But first, who exactly am I and why should you listen in the first place? As I said, I'm Fish the Hypno Bear, and I'm a practicing hypnotist with a sadistic caregiver lean. I have been officially involved in this scene since 2019 with a primary focus on hypnosis and power exchange. I have spent time on both sides of the pendulum, and still periodically will go under trance, though most often I'm the one inducing it. I am involved in a full-time master-slave dynamic with my primary subject and wife Cookie, who will periodically guest on the show with me to share her experiences with hypnosis as both subject and tist. I practice with the understanding that anyone can hypnotize and anyone can be hypnotized. The methods will vary depending on the individual, but if you desire to learn, I would love to guide you on your journey. I will share from my personal knowledge and experience on what works for me and those I work with. I intend to bring on other hypnotists and subjects to share from their experience as well, as I can only teach and share what I know. I welcome and encourage you to explore, research, listen, and find your way. And if what I share can aid you on that journey, that is fantastic. In addition to kink education, I write and record hypnotic audio files here, on YouTube, SoundCloud, and Patreon. My intention is to post a new educational piece every few weeks, along with a hypnotic file. Other platforms in the works, and the links will be available on the platform you're currently listening to. On all of these platforms, I will present on HypnoKink, but some will have additional files available, such as hypnotic files I have written and recorded, more intense and not safe for work HypnoKink education, and eventually custom-created trance files and personally requested HypnoKink education. If there's a topic you're interested in learning about and it falls into the realm of hypnosis, send me a message or post a comment, and I'll add to the list of topics to cover. If I don't have the experience in it, I'll look for a future guest to join me on a future episode. I have a current list of topics in the works ranging from the basics of HypnoKink to advanced application, and special focus on topics ranging from hypnotic bondage and flogging to erotic trance, fantastical trance, and fear play, among many others. If you like what you hear and would like to support me, you can do so on my Ko-fi, linked to my profile, or on my Patreon, which offers a monthly subscription with many perks to follow. On SoundCloud, you'll be able to find some of my hypnotic files, which are actual trances, with more to come soon. Thank you for listening, and remember, it's okay to be confused.